All right, guys, today we are going to take the car to the strip. We're going to try and get a little bit of nitrous tuning done. I'm going to run the first couple passes naturally aspirated, and then we'll try and switch over to spray. We'll see how much time we have, and then see what kind of jets we can get through with the tuning and stuff done. So I'm going to take my GoPro, and we'll be able to see what kind of passes we can make with that. I got a second GoPro for this weekend for our half-mile event. So hopefully I can do a little in-car and outside the car with that, but we got to find a charger. So like I said, I'm just going to put the passes we took up on the stands and then the time slips here at the end. All right, and here's my tickets. First two were NA, second two were on spray. So my first run here was a 13.1 at 107. My second run was a 13.1 at 107. I mean, look at that, ET, right on the money. Run three, like I said, was on spray. We're gonna be a 12.2 at a 114. And then my fourth run was a 12.4, also at a 114. So I'll leave these up here at the end. You guys can check these out. The list of modifications for the car is always in the description, so make sure you go down there and check that out. That's pretty much it for this video. I ended up switching back to the cop wheels because it was almost an hour drive. So I'm gonna put the radials back on for this weekend. We got a truck and trailer, everything set up to go to Indy this weekend. That'll be my next video. It'll be a half-mile event. Unfortunately, just with time and about 30 people oiling down the track and blowing up on the line, we only got the 4 passes in, so I was only able to get the 50 jets in, hopefully on Saturday or Sunday. It's supposed to rain now on Sunday, but my plan was Saturday to run just motor, Sunday start going into spray, but we'll see if we have to make any plans changes while we're there. But hopefully we can start testing for the 100 jet. I sent all the data logs out to the tuner. He said everything looks great. He was shocked at the mile-an-hour we gained off the 50. So I'm super excited to see what the 100's gonna do. But everything's ready to go, guys. So stay tuned, subscribe, and can't wait for the next video. This weekend should be fun.